This is Decoded, AI for Everyone, the podcast that makes sense of artificial intelligence, not just in your pocket, but in your world. Once upon a time, work looked very different. A memo was typed, printed, walked across an office, and placed in someone's tray. That was their inbox. Then came the computer, then the network, then the internet, and everything changed. Work became faster, more connected, more scalable. Then came something we now take for granted, a device in your pocket, your connection to everything. And now, we're at the edge of another shift. Not just AI in your pocket, but AI that exists alongside you. Not just as software, but as presence. This is Decoded, AI for Everyone. I'm Joel Leslie, and today we're exploring something deeper than tools. What it means to stay human in an automated world. For most of this season, we've talked about AI as something you use, a tool, something you interact with, something that helps you think, write, create, decide. But that framing is already starting to shift. AI is moving from tool to assistant to something closer to presence. Not emotional, not human, but there, available, responsive, always on, and increasingly, acting alongside you. We're already seeing early signs of this. AI that doesn't just generate, but moves, acts, operates in the physical world, helping with logistics, supporting environments, augmenting everyday tasks. This isn't science fiction. It's an extension of what we already have. Your phone was step one. Your AI assistant was step two. What comes next is something that exists with you. So let's make this real. If AI becomes something you bring with you, like your phone, what happens at work? Where does it sit? At your desk? In your meetings? In reception? In the car park? Does it have access to systems? Does it act on your behalf? Or the organizations? And if everyone has one, what does that environment look like? These aren't technical questions, they're human ones. AI doesn't exist on its own. It exists inside systems, people, processes, organizations, culture. Every time we introduce a new capability into that system, the system changes, not just in what it can do, but in how people interact, how decisions are made, how trust is formed, how work gets done. This is what we call a socio-technical system, and AI is reshaping it in real time. So, where do you sit in all of this? If AI can write your emails, generate your ideas, support your decisions, represent your thinking, then what is your role? Are you the author, the editor, the approver, the orchestrator, or something else entirely? Because over time, those roles start to shape identity. Not just what you do, but how you see yourself. There was a time when authorship was simple. You created something, it was yours. Clear, direct. Now it's more layered. You prompt, it generates. You refine, you select, you approve. So who created it? And does that question still matter? Or has authorship shifted from creation to curation? For most of human history, effort and meaning were connected. The harder something was, the more it meant. Learning, writing, building, creating, all required time, energy, focus. But what happens when effort is reduced? When ideas can be generated instantly? When outputs can be refined endlessly? Does meaning decrease, or does it move? Does it shift from doing to deciding, from creating to choosing? Earlier this season, we talked about agency, awareness, choice, intention. But here it becomes something deeper. Not just, what am I choosing? But, where do I choose to remain human? Where do you want to think for yourself? Where do you want to struggle a little? Where do you want to create without assistance? Where does effort still matter to you? Because those choices define you. We're moving into a world where AI isn't just something you use, it's something that exists with you, in your work, in your home, in your daily life. Not replacing you, but surrounding you, supporting you, influencing you. And that changes something subtle. You're no longer just interacting with systems, you're living alongside them. This isn't about rejecting AI. It's not about going backwards. It's about deciding what you keep, what you protect, what you value. Because the easier things become, the more intentional you need to be. About where effort goes, where thought happens, where meaning is created. You don't have to do everything yourself, but some things you might choose to. Technology has always changed how we work. This is different. It's changing how we think, how we create, and how we define ourselves. And as AI becomes more capable and more present, the question isn't just what it can do, it's what you choose to keep. This is Decoded, AI for everyone. Next time, we bring everything together. Synthesis, reflection, and some listener takeaways. We close the loop and visit our choices with AI, and not fear them. For tools, resources, and AI prompting guides, visit promptengineeringcookbook.com. Thanks for listening. I'm Joel Leslie. Stay aware, stay intentional, stay human.